Mate, stupid idiots here. Oh my god. Man.
Car ride.
You moron, man. My name is Allard and most people know me as a race car driver. But I have a fun challenge for both you and myself. That's right, because 6 months ago I started running and I absolutely love it. And that's why I came with a challenge. For every new subscriber on my YouTube channel, I'll run 200 meters. It doesn't matter if I eventually have to run 10 kilometers, 20 or maybe even 50, I'll do it before the new video comes out. And if we hit 4,000 subscribers, I'll run a marathon. So if you want to follow my progress, please be sure to subscribe and I'll hit the road. Yes guys, welcome back to a brand new iRacing video. And we're finally back. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. It was really busy with fixing some things for my real life race championship, which took a lot of energy and focus for me to realize. But I'm really happy I can race now in real life, and I'll show you some videos. So if you're interested, please check out my channel. But we're back guys, and as you know, I have the goal to reach 2000 iRating this year. We're currently at 1700, which is okay. But we need to improve. So today we're at Oschersleben. Actually, we're one of my favorite tracks. As you know, in previous episodes we've raced there already. It was really good. I love this track, so I have really positive vibes. I'm excited, and I think we can score some good iRating here. So, without further ado, thank you for clicking on this video again. Welcome back. Oh, by the way, I'm with the new. I tested a new format because I think my previous episode was just a bit too long. So for now, I want to skip the qualifying, jump straight into the race. And yeah, to just give you guys more racing action, because yeah, the qualifying doesn't really matter that much. We just want races. So I'll see you guys on the grid, and for now I say okay, let's go. Alright guys, we're back straight into the race. We qualified P3, so that's nice.
The estimated strength of field is 1,723.
Okay, so that's nice. That's around our iRating.
A lot of opportunities today. Head down.
Hey, shut up.
Your battle.
I'm talking.
Waiting on the final car to grid.
He keeps talking. But yeah, I think there's a lot of opportunities. Let's survive turn 1. And lap 1 is going to be a lot of chaos. So yeah, let's see what we can do, guys.
Green, green, green. Car on your left. Clear on the left. Car on your left.
Hey!
Still there, hold your line. You're in the middle, 3 wide. Right side, 2 wide. You're on the left, 3 wide.
Mate,
right,
stupid idiots here. Oh my god. I'm not sure what happened. It might be my mistake, I'm not sure. But I thought I had space and I could move towards the outside a little bit, and then we're on each other. It was crazy. But still, P4, all to play for. He's braking there, interesting. Ah, that's gonna be scary. Yeah, exactly. I fucking
car on your
it.
left. Clear. Car on your left. The next car's the leader. Clear.
Okay, sorry, that was my mistake. Man.
Car right, clear on the right. Right side, clear. You've got wheel damage. Right
Here,
side, clear.
mate. Stupid idiot. Yeah, I'm so done. I'm so done. I'm so done. Let me see the replay. He murders me. Okay, sorry for my editor. Sorry, Paul, because you're gonna need to blur a lot. Because this is crazy. I know he was faster, but look at this. Look at this. Oh, you can see that I'm in front. I'm in front by a lot. And you can see I'm going to make the turn. And he was literally behind me. Use your brain. Use your brain. Let's try another race. Oh, guys, we're into the next race. And yeah, I messed up.
Bruh.
I basically had one really bad lap. And for the other one, I had a really good lap. I was like on a 39.5 or 6. It was a crazy lap. But then I invalidated on the exit. I didn't even gain a thing. But yeah, of course, it makes sense. It's an invalid lap. So we're starting dead last, I think. Or maybe one. Oh, there were more people who didn't set a time. Okay, that's good. But we have great pace. And of course, we lost some iRating from the previous race. So it should be easier now. So I think it's going to be a nice spectacle in this race. So let's see what we can do. Let's try to survive. And I'll take you guys into the race. So let's go. Okay, guys, let's go.
Green flag, green flag. right side. Stay on the left. Stay on the left.
Oh, chaos.
Clear on the right. Car
Chaos.
right. The next car's the leader. Still there,
Please don't
hold
hit me.
your line.
Please don't hit me.
Keep to the left. Keep to the left. You're on the left.
Whoa.
3 wide.
Oh.
Car right. 2 wide. Still
Scary.
there, hold. Left side.
Okay,
Clear on the left.
I'm a bit lucky there. Ooh, okay, P6 I think. Let's see. Yeah, okay. But we got a break earlier there and learn from our mistake in the past races. So let's take it really careful here. Oh, sorry for that guy behind, but I had to be careful there. Because this guy, I'm so much faster, but I just need to watch out because he's doing weird things like this. And it's really scary. But the guys in front seem to be battling as well, so that's good. Make him take a bad line here by fake attacking. I think we gained way more speed here. Let's fake that I'm attacking, so he'll brake crazy late and then I'll just take a good line. He didn't really fall for it. That's a shame.
Hey.
Or this kind of things happen.
Left side. Clear on the left.
Okay guys, P5. Another position gained. And they are battling behind, so that's great. We're actually we have some breathing space here. Oh wow, they're battling in that corner, that's tricky. And that's perfect, yeah, because they're gonna do this. And I have a feeling that it's not gonna end well for both of them. Let not take too much risk here, and just as I say that, I completely missed the apex. Oh, he defends there, that's lovely for us. And I hope he's gonna attack him here, because I'll just go for a great exit. And maybe even take them both.
There's an incident behind.
Oh, this might end in tears.
You're in fifth.
I'm gonna
The car
stay
in
behind.
P2. Just set the fastest lap. 40.052. Left side. You're on the right. 3 wide.
Okay.
Car on your left. 2 wide.
I'm
Clear
so
on the
lucky
left.
there, I
Go
survived.
right.
I could already see it coming. I was the smart guy to back out
got
there,
damage.
but they were just battling so hard and at stupid places. It was ridiculous. But I'm in P3 guys, so that's good. Someone is really close behind me, so let's watch out there. Let's see if we can close the gap a bit towards P2. I think I need to work on my exit to the main straight, because I think I lose lots of time there. Not getting really nicely to the apex. Let's
You're
see.
now in third. The car in P6. Just
Oh, no.
set the fastest lap.
Oh, no, not a back marker.
40.038. Left side.
Okay, he's letting us through, that's
Clear.
great. Sometimes back markers go crazy. And I actually see another one a little bit more forward, so let's hope he's not going to do something really crazy here. And I think the car behind and me have to like a similar pace, but of course he has slipstream, so we gotta try to maintain this gap and not let him gain through the slipstream. And they were actually a little bit closing in on the car in front, but not too crazy. Oh wow, that was really nice, was that corner. Okay guys, what the hell, I just had a minor crash with the guy ahead. My camera went off and I'm really not sure what happened, but it was crazy. And now we're in the final lap, fighting for P4. And there's a guy behind, so that's a risk as well, but this is going to be so important. Oh, why is it then turning, man? This is crazy. We won so many places where we're cruising on P3, but then it went wrong. But let's see what we can do now to gain a P4. Yeah, we had to go for a crazy send there, but I couldn't do anything. GG. It was close to the end, guys. Shit. It's a shame, guys, because P3 was in it, and I would be really happy with P3 after that horrible qualifying. But yeah, I think... Bro just killed me. What the hell? Alright guys, we are here into the results, and as you can see we finished 5th with a fastest lap of a 1:42. We were really competitive actually with the, let's say, all top 7. I think we had some good racing. It was unfortunate that the camera went down because I wanted to show you the crash. It was not like a big issue, but we're just side to side, and it was just not really a crash but like a tap, and we both went wide and lost position there. But yeah, it's a shame because we actually lost some iRating since when we started with 1700, and if we finished 3rd we would actually have enough to stay at that level. So after this recording I'll do another race to get back at 1700, but yeah, just the consistency isn't not there yet, so I need to improve. Gotta look into the replay, see where I can improve, and yeah, I'm not currently just not good enough for 2000 iRating. It's just what it is. But of course we're here to learn, so I'm going to improve, and I want to thank you a lot for watching this video. Nice. I'm definitely gonna practice for the next episode. I'm trying to upload every week now. Let me know what you like of this new format with like less races. So I want to do 1 race instead of 2. Yeah, for now of course it's different due to the crash. But yeah, let me know what you like of the video, and I'll keep practicing, try to improve, and see you on the next video, guys. Ciao.